So here we're looking at plotting points on a set of coordinates and then joining them up to form a shape and then performing transformations on that shape. Okay, so let's look at translating this now. So point A, we're going to move 3 to the left and 2 down. So that is 1, 2, 3 to the left and 1, 2 down. So this is our new point A. So let's just label that A with an apostrophe next to it. And then if we do the same for B, that's 1, 2, 3 to the left, 1, 2 down. So that's our new B. Then if we go on to C, 1, 2, 3 to the left, and 1, 2 down. So that's our new C. And finally, point D, 1, 2, 3 to the left, and 1, 2 down. So that is our new point D. We can now join all of those together to give us our new shape. Okay, so we've got our new shape B, which is the translation of shape A, 3 to the left and 2 down. And I've labelled that B, and I've rubbed out all the bits to show you the movements of each point. Okay, so now we need to think about reflecting shape A in the x-axis, where the x-axis is the line going across, the horizontal line going across. Okay, so now we're going to reflect each of the 4 points of shape A in the x-axis. Okay, so what we want to think about is counting each point, how far is it away from the x-axis. So we go to the x-axis and then we go the same distance away. So if we start with point A, that is 1 away towards the x-axis, so then we need to go 1 away from the x-axis. So that gives us that point there. So that's the new point A, and if we do the same with B, he's 1 to the x-axis, so we go 1 away from the x-axis. C is 5 to the x-axis, so we go 5 away from the x-axis, which gives us -5. And D is 3 from the x-axis, so we go 3 the other way. And then we can join those points up to give us shape C. And there you can see the reflection of shape A in the x-axis giving us shape C. And finally, we're going to look at a rotation of 90 degrees clockwise about the point 1, 1. So this is slightly harder. We need to think about rotating, so moving the point, the shape, about a point. So that's the point that's going to stay stationary. And here we're doing it about the point 1, 1. So if I circle that in green, that's the point that's going to stay stationary. And clockwise is going that way. So we're going to rotate the whole shape clockwise, but keeping this point here stationary. We'll actually do this in the lesson using tracing paper, but if you can imagine rotating that shape, I will now show you what it's going to look like. So what you can see here is that shape A has been rotated, the whole shape has been rotated, keeping point A stationary, and the whole shape has moved 90 degrees clockwise. So each point, B, C, and D, has rotated 90 degrees clockwise about the point 1, 1. So this is the new D, this is the new C, and this is the new B. Okay, like I say, in the lesson we will do this with tracing paper because it's much easier to do a rotation using tracing paper, and you are allowed to use tracing paper in exams. Okay, hopefully that's clear. I know that the shapes are all sort of a bit muddled up, but if we just look at it stage by stage, those are the three different transformations that you need to know about.